Hi, welcome to YOH Crochet. My name is Anita and thank you so much for stopping in today. Um, we are going to do a look inside crochet amigurumi book today. And what we have today is, this is actually the very first crochet book, amigurumi book, any type of crochet book I've ever received. I got this probably the first Christmas after I began to start crocheting, which was about almost 5 years ago. Hi Miko, what do you want? Miko's right here. Can you say hi? I don't know what you're doing. What do you want? You want to get in the video? What? You want cuddles? This is how he asks for cuddles. He doesn't lay on me. He doesn't lay in my lap. He stands on me, and he stands right next to me. And this is how he cuddles. Mwah. Okay, so anyway, I received this from my mom for a Christmas gift, their very first Christmas after I started crocheting. And this book is titled Edward's Menagerie. It just says Edward's Menagerie, and it's just a bunch of different animals. So I do have a book that has nothing but dogs by this person, and I have already shown that on my channel once before. So if I remember correctly, the dog book was written in UK terms, so I'm assuming this one will be as well. And if I can find the book on Amazon, I will go ahead and put a link. Would you want to smell the book? Would you want to read the book? I will put a link in the description box for you if I can find this on Amazon. Are you grumbling? Why did you pick now to cuddle? Okay, so first it has the table of contents, which is typical for any book. And then there's a short little intro and how to use this book, and it seems like the patterns are broken down into level 1, level 2, level 3. Level 1 are animals only using one color and only chain, slip stitch, and double crochet, but this double crochet is actually single crochet because, as I said, this is written in UK terms. Level 2 is animals for which you need to do basic color change. And level 3 are animals that require more complex color changing and loop stitches. But they do break down how to do loop stitches in the book. And it just tells you, it's going over what you need. Yarn weights. I know. Standard increasing, and then there is a standard body and standard leg form. Are you trying to talk to the people too? Don't mind Miko, he's talkative today, or he's talkative right now anyway. He was laying all nice and quiet, and now he picks now to be talkative. Okay, so first, this is, I'm trying to see, maybe, yeah, the first section of patterns are level 1 patterns. So the first one we have is Emma the bunny. She's super cute. I like the bunnies with the long floppy ears that hang down as opposed to the ears that stand straight up. Alexandra, the Russian blue cat. And there is him. I think I like the bunny better. Piotr, the polar bear. There is a polar bear. I know someone who likes polar bears. Bridget the elephant. I also know someone who likes elephants. That's cute. Are you done talking now? And we have Simon the sheep. That's weird. I wonder how they... Oh, the fleece is interesting. I've never seen fleece done this way. And Simon the sheep. And then we have Georgina the hippo. And we have Seamus the alpaca. Seamus, that's a funny name. And what else is in here? Austin the rhino. And Rufus the lion. And I have not made anything out of this book yet because I am a slacker. Richard the large white pig. There is a piggy. And Jermaine the gorilla. Winston the aardvark. The aardvark is kind of cute. Aardvarks aren't typically something you see amigurumi's patterns for. Penelope the bear. It's alright. I have seen bears, patterns for bears that I prefer to that. Hank the Dorset down sheep. Another sheep. And Fiona the panda. Did I mention these are the level 2 patterns? The level 2 patterns started with the gorilla. Fiona the panda. It's cute, but again, I have seen pandas that I think are cuter than that one. Juno the Siamese cat. Angard the donkey. I kind of like the donkey. And there's a picture in the middle of a bunch of different animals from the book. Benedict the chimpanzee. Now that's cute. The chimpanzee is cute. Samuel the koala. Douglas the Highland cow. Lawrence the tiger. He's cute. I mean, I like the patterns in this book, but I don't think I've made any out of here because patterns out of other amigurumi books that I have are calling out to me more than these are. Chardonnay the Palomino pony. Palomino? I think it's Palomino. Claudia the saddleback pig. I don't really care for that one. Alice the zebra. The zebra is cute. I like the zebra. Audrey the nanny goat. And then the next section are the level 3 patterns. And we have Clarence the bat. And Martin the tabby cat. Sarah the Frisian cow. Timmy the Jack Russell dog. And the Jack Russell dog in my other book that has nothing but dogs, I think he is much cuter than this one. Caitlin the giraffe. The giraffe is cute. I like the giraffe. Oops, I'm kind of showing the pattern a little bit. Esme the fox. Again, I have seen much cuter, in my opinion, much cuter fox patterns than that one. Blake the orangutan. He's cute. Look at all the shagginess we got going on. I'm guessing loop stitches. And here is another picture of a bunch of animals. It's a nice picture with, you know, the grass and the tree in the background. It's a cute picture. Siegfried the monkey. That's a white monkey with hairiness around his head. Boris the red squirrel. And whoops, we're skipping pages here. Hamlet the cheetah. He's kind of cute. Francis the hedgehog. And I like the hedgehog in the Zumigurumi book more than this one. I prefer that one to this one. Jesse the raccoon. Again, I probably will not make this raccoon because there is, although his tail is cute. Look at his tail. His tail with the loop stitches. That's pretty adorable. I have a pattern that I like for raccoons. Anyway, as I was saying. Bradley the gray squirrel. Noah the Zwartbles sheep. I cannot pronounce that word. It is that. Christoph the wolf. I've seen cuter wolf patterns in my opinion. And then that's just basic skills, abbreviations, and pictures of the stitches, magic rings, and whatnot. And then it's about stuffing and sewing, order of sewing, top knots and tails. So here is a picture from the back of a bunch of the animals. And then different variations you can make by using color combos, various color combos, about the author, thank you, and then an index. So there are some cute patterns in this book that I may give a shot, but I don't know. For the most part, I think I have seen cuter patterns, in my opinion, patterns that are cuter from different designers and in different publications. So I don't know. I don't know how soon I will be jumping to make anything out of this book, but if you're interested, if anything in here, because everybody's different, you know. I'm picky. I will be the first to admit I'm really picky with what I think is cute. I won't make I'm not gonna jump to make something I don't think is cute, you know. So if you're interested, like I said, everyone is different. Everyone has different tastes. If anything caught your eye in this book and you are interested, I will leave the link in the description if I can find it on Amazon. It is a fairly old book. And I'm looking for a copyright. Maybe in the beginning. Yes, the copyright on this book is 2014. So it is several years old. But I know the dog one was still on Amazon, so I will look. If it is on Amazon, the link will be in the description box for you below. And one final thing before I go, if anyone is interested in seeing a little bit of Miko, I'm going to put a short clip at the end of this video. Well, actually two. I taught him a new trick. He learned it in about 15 minutes. And the trick I taught him, I want to get him to do it repeatedly. And I will show you the trick first, and then a video after that of why I want him to do it repeatedly. He did this randomly. The first year I had him, I think it was around November, I had been crocheting. He was bored and he started doing this like over and over. But you'll see the video that I took of him when he was doing that the first time I saw him doing this, and you'll see it after we show you the trick. And yeah, the noise he was making in the second video, it just makes me laugh. It's my favorite video of him by far. But anyway, so if you want to see that, stick around for some Miko cuteness. And as always, thank you so much for stopping by. And I hope everybody has a wonderful day. And I hope you have time to crochet. Bye. Hey, Miko. Can you punch it? Punch it. Punch it. Punch it. Yes, good boy. Good job. You're smarty pants. Punch it. That was kind of weak. Let's try again. Sit. Punch it. Punch it. Yes. Good job. Yeah. Are you smart? Are you smart? Can I have a 5? You missed. Can I have 5? Hey. Can I have 5? Give me 5. Yes. Good job. You need a wave? Yes, that's a good wave. You have that. Punch it. No. Punch it. Yes. Good job. Nom, 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 nom. Okay. Do you remember sit pretty? Sit pretty. Sit pretty. Sit pretty. Yes. All right. Give me a good punch it. We need a good one. No, it's not a good one. Punch it. That's great. Awesome. What are you doing?